I just drag my feet across the boardwalk. Ain't nothing straight up in my head. Even though I get away with murder, the thoughts they just will never end, and I don't know if I will just survive. Oh, even though I'm smoking on some dream, my thoughts they will never set me free. I think that I'll do some time, and that's something I cannot lie. I found happiness in the end, and that shit's gonna take me to my end. Yeah, I'm just addicted to these drugs, some lips of blue, and this is gonna take me to my doom. My thoughts they are all just filled with blue. I just wanna turn back time when everything was okay. Wish I did